Magic Write. Write an Instagram caption that promotes our weekly text to provide social media ideas to small business owners so that they won't have to come up with the ideas themselves.
That was the fastest that I've ever written an Instagram caption. And while I don't plan on using what Magic Write, the AI copy generator in Canva, gave me verbatim, I am going to go in and make it my own, add to it, delete from it. It is going to save me a tremendous amount of time. Imagine what you could be doing with all of that free time that you get back from not having to sit down and try to figure out what to write. So let me tap into my computer and I'll give you all of the details about Canva's latest feature, an AI copy generator that they're calling Magic Write.
So let's start with the obvious. In order to access Magic Write, you have to have a Canva account because it's a feature in Canva. Now, we're going to review the differences in access depending on what type of account you have, and I'm going to run through this really quickly, but keep in mind that this is as of January 2023. So if you happen to be watching this sometime in the future, 2024, 2025, just know that things could have changed and Canva could have changed their access depending on what type of account you have. If you have the Pro account, which means that you pay $12.99 per month, or you've made the yearly investment of, I think it's less than $120 per year to have access to the Canva Pro features, which includes stuff like that background remover, and then also those photos and videos that have that crown insignia to the side of it, which indicates that it's a Pro feature, then you are going to have full access to the Magic Write feature. Now, that doesn't mean that it's uncapped. You actually have a cap on it. You can only use it 75 times per month. Now, I think that's plenty, especially for a small business owner that's going to be very specific about the way they utilize this particular feature. But the other thing to know is that if you are sharing your account with another team member, that you're altogether going to only be able to utilize it 75 times per month. And so just keep that in mind. If you have the free account, which means that you do not pay a monthly fee and you have not invested any money into using Canva, you've just signed up for the free account and you don't really care about using some of those Pro features that are available, you are going to have access to the Magic Write feature. However, you're only going to be able to use it 25 times, and that's not 25 times per month. That is 25 times in the lifespan of you having Canva. If you have an educator account, which means that you are a teacher or student that has signed up for Canva through their education program or educator level, then you will not have access to Magic Write. So unfortunately, that's just where it stands right now. If after watching this tutorial, you like the Magic Write feature and you think it's something that you definitely would utilize often, and you want to upgrade from the free account or the educator account to the Pro account in Canva, I have a link down below that you could utilize to actually use Canva Pro for free as a trial. So go ahead and click that down below. Now let me show you on the computer where you can access the Magic Write feature. I'm signed into my Canva account, and there are two ways that you can access this Magic Write feature. The first way is you have a toolbar up here at the top with icons. The icons say for you, docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, and so on. You would actually select docs, and what you're looking for is what they're calling a visual doc, so a visual document. So notice that is located right here, and if you hover over it, it says start writing. You could click on that and it will pull up a visual doc. Now the other way to access it is if we go back to the home page, there is a second toolbar underneath this icon toolbar up here, and that one is this right here. So it says you might want to try doc, whiteboard, Instagram story, Instagram post. There you would just click on this doc option, the first option to the left, and then the same visual document would pull up. Now you'll notice that you have a plus sign right over here. So you're going to click on that and a drop box is going to appear. There are several options under that drop box, including the first one, which is Magic Write, and then design, heading, subheading, body, etc. You are going to click on that first option, Magic Write, and a box will pop up that is prompting you to type something in there. And so notice that the prompt that they have right now that appears says, write 5 tips on how to overcome writer's block. So let's see what that generates. If we just hit enter, it's going to take just a couple of seconds, and then it's going to auto-generate this right here. Notice it has done the heavy lifting for us. And I have to say they're pretty good. Number 1, take a break and do something unrelated to writing, and then it adds an explanation sentence behind that. Number 2, change your environment. Number 3, talk to someone. Number 4, brainstorm ideas. And number 5, read something. Each one of those talking points or each one of those tips comes with an additional sentence behind it that supports the original talking point. Now, I think this is great because this is something that you can then turn around and utilize on a blog post. But let's try one out on our own so that we could see just how well this AI copy generator works. So I'm going to come in and delete this, and I'm going to hit that plus sign, go to Magic Write again. Okay, so let's use a real life example. We have a new service line that we're launching. It's actually going to be a texting service. So basically anybody that needs social media ideas for the week ahead, we're going to text them 5 ideas every Sunday straight to their phone. And so that way it kind of takes some of that pressure off of them so that they don't have to come up with ideas on their own. So I'm going to need an Instagram caption at some point that is promoting that particular service. So let's ask Magic Write, write an Instagram caption that promotes our weekly text to provide social media ideas to small business owners so that they won't have to come up with the ideas themselves. And we're gonna hit enter. All right, so here's the Instagram caption that it generated. Need help with your social media content? Let us do the legwork for you and take the guesswork out of coming up with creative and engaging content. Sign up for our weekly text alerts to get fresh ideas and tips to help your small business succeed on social media. And it includes hashtag small business, hashtag social media, and hashtag content ideas. Y'all, that's pretty darn good, isn't it? So that is going to help to springboard some ideas for me so that whenever the time comes that I'm placing that Instagram caption on social media, I don't need to come up with everything from scratch. I have a template now or a springboard for me to be able to add to it or delete. So I think that's really, really great. Keep in mind that social media is just one of the ways that you can apply this Canva Magic Write feature. There are so many different things that you can do with it inside of your small business. So let me give you a couple ideas on how you can utilize this new feature. So those are just some basic ideas, which I'm sure you guys can take this to a whole new level. Let me know in the comments below how you plan to utilize this new Canva Magic Write feature for your small business. So I'm curious to see what you come up with and how you're going to be able to leverage this new tool.